Hello friends, welcome to Shastri's kitchen. Today I am going to prepare one very traditional recipe, halbai with millets. So it's a very tasty recipe and very simple to prepare and very healthy also. So it's very soft and spongy. So let's see how to prepare this recipe. To prepare a halbai, I have taken 1 cup of foxtail millet and I washed this thoroughly 2-3 times and I've soaked it in 1 cup of water for about 6 hours, and 1 cup of fresh coconut grated, the same cup with which I have taken the foxtail millet. Now we will see how to prepare the halbai. I'll drain this water into this cup so that I can use this water for grinding. I'm adding these foxtail millets to a mixer jar. 1 cup of coconut, 2 green cardamoms, 1 spoon of roasted poppy seeds. You can use either roasted or regular poppy seeds. I'll add this water little and grind it to a smooth paste. This is grinded to a smooth paste like this. To a vessel, add 2 cups of jaggery powder with the same cup with which I've taken foxtail millet. To this, I'll add half a cup of water and melt this jaggery. The jaggery is melted completely, so I'll keep this aside. I'll grease this plate with little ghee and keep it ready. Take one thick bottomed vessel and pour this mixture into this. Keep the stove in low flame. To this I am adding 1 cup of water and putting it into this. Keep stirring and bring it to a boil. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring so that it won't form any lumps. The mixture is becoming thick now. Let it become a lump completely. Till that we'll keep mixing. This has thickened completely and it's also cooked. So to this I'll add the jaggery water. And mix it thoroughly. You have to mix it thoroughly without any lumps. Keep mixing it. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix it thoroughly. When this separates from the sides, we will transfer it to the plate. Now we will transfer this to the greased plate. I'll spread this evenly. I'll allow this to settle for about half an hour to 45 minutes, and then I'll cut into the shapes that is required. So we will leave it like this for about 45 minutes. This is set now. Now I'll cut this. Before that I'll grease this knife also with ghee. Now we'll try to remove one by one. This traditional halbai recipe is done. It's very simple to make, healthy also, and it's very tasty also. Healthy and tasty halbai recipe is done. It's very healthy and very tasty also, and very simple to prepare. So hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.